So this is a tutorial for TikTok Ads Manager. You are going to learn how to create TikTok Ads Manager account, how to create ads, a full walkthrough of how to use TikTok Ads Manager, right, to create effective ads, right. So to come to ads.tiktok.com, right, come to ads.tiktok.com. You don't want to use your TikTok app because there are a lot of limitations if you use the ordinary TikTok app or you just use your normal TikTok, right? So you want to create the ads manager account on TikTok for business, right? So just come to ads.tiktok.com, right? Then click on get started. Just come here and enter your email address here to sign up, right? Just enter your email address here. Let's just use this. And let's just use this now. So once you enter your password, just click on sign up, right? Once you click on sign up, it's going to show this. Right? Just click on the object with similar icon, which is both C and C, right? So once you enter your email address and the password you want to use, just click on this sign up. It's going to show this. Click the C and C. Click the object with the same similarity. Then click on confirm. Now they are going to send a code to our email. So let me just log into my email now. Right. Okay, TikTok for business. I'll just copy this code now. Copy this code now to TikTok. Right. So I'll just paste it here. Good. Now you can see business. You can enter your business name. Let us see God Bless Agency. Right. God Bless Agency. You can decide to enter your website URL here later. Okay, say industry. Okay, let's just select your industry. Okay. You can decide to enter your phone number here. Click on this click on this check mark, then click on continue. So just straightforward. Just enter your email address, then confirm your information. That's all. Good. We have successfully created our TikTok ad account, right? You can decide to skip this. Right now, once you create your account, to start running ad, just click on this switch to full version. Right, you can remove this. Click on switch to full version. Right, confirm. Right, so now that we have successfully created our TikTok ad account, the next one to do is to actually run ad with it, right? Which is what I'm going to show you now. This video views just if you just want to boost views, right? You just want to boost your views, you just want to get views. But if you want to run ads that is actually going to get people to take action, then you want to select either sales or lead generation, right? That is what you want to do, right? As a small business owner, you only have business with conversion ads, right? Either for app promotions, lead generation, or sales, right? Now, let's say we want to run ad for sales. Just click on this sales objective, right? Just click on this sales objective. Then click on website. Right? Click on website. Of course, you want to make sure that you have a website now, right? You want to make sure that you have a website so that you can set up your pixels, right? And I'm going to drop a video in the description of this video where you can learn how to set up your TikTok pixels, right? I've already done a video on how to set up your pixels. Just check the description of this video to access that, right? Once you have selected this, you can scroll down, select websites, and make sure you only select this Smart Plus campaign, right? Always select Smart Plus campaign, then click on continue. Now we have created our ad, right? We have created our campaign. What do you now do? Click on this. Click on got it. So for you to rename your ad group name so that you will be able to remember the ad, let's just use tutorial, right? Tutorial, or name it to the product you want to sell, right? Tutorial. Now this way, now select your conversion, right? Goal conversion. You don't want people to just click or view your landing page. No, you want to select conversion so that TikTok is going to look for people that are going to take a specific action in your website, either to buy or to opt in as a lead, right? Now this way you have to select the pixel name. Let us use this pixels, alright, tutorial pixel. By the way, if you don't know how to create a pixel, I will link a video under the description of this video you're watching right now. Right? Just watch that video to learn how to create your pixels and set up your events. Alright. Now I've already created an event on the pixel which is purchase. TikTok is going to track purchases for me, alright, and I'm going to optimize the ads and look for people that are more likely to buy whatever I'm selling on my website, alright. And just in case if you don't have a website, you can just come to this platform system.io, alright, and create a simple website for free, alright, or a simple landing page for free, alright. You can create a simple landing page for free to run your TikTok ads either as a lead generation or direct sales and do your tracking, install your pixels right here on this website. If you don't have a website, alright, you can do that on system for free, right? So once you have done that, you can just scroll down, you can enter your daily budget here, right? You can enter your daily budget here. Let's see, you can go with 5,000 naira, right? Then for my time, I always like my ad to start to run the next day, right? So I always like my ad to run the next day. So select the next day here. Then the time I always like to let it run 12 a.m. the next day. Right, 12 a.m. the next day. Right, click OK. So now our ad is going to start running tomorrow by 12 a.m. That's how you set your ad, so that it's going to spend your budget across the whole day wisely. Here you select your country, right? If you're not in Nigeria, you can select the particular country you want to target here. Alright. Now scroll down, you can see this audience targeting. You can decide to edit it. Alright, you can decide to edit it, to click on turn it on. Right. This is just where you want to select your age range. Alright, basically your age range and all that. Alright, you can just select it to, let's see, 25. So that's how I basically do that. Right. You can still decide to go with, you can just decide to leave it to go automatic. TikTok is going to find your buyers and ideal leads for you. Alright. Once you have done that, just click on leave your placement like this, click on continue. Right. Now TikTok is going to create an ad. Right. This is the ad level where you upload wherever you want it to show on TikTok. Let us see video one. Right, video one. Now this is where you enter the URL of the website you want to direct people to, right? Which is the URL to your other page. So let's just say this.com / video. So this is where you can actually add an existing video. You can just click on add existing video, and it's going to check your TikTok account, right? And you can select the video right from your TikTok account, or you can just click on upload to upload the video directly from your computer, right? That's how you can actually upload a video for your ad, right? Or an image. You can try to enter a product name here, alright? You can try to enter a product name here. So guys, you can also decide to add image. Just click on this add existing again, right? Then instead of videos, you can click on images. Right? You can click on images, and you can decide to upload an image, right? You can decide to upload an image, or just select you can decide to upload an image, just select an image in your TikTok already, right? Then click on it, then click on save. Alright, click on save. That is how our ad preview is going to look like. So if you upload an image, it's going to show like this. If you upload a video, it's going to show like this, alright? And when they click on the ad, this is the link you put here is the link is going to take people to, which is your other page or opt-in link or preset page, whatever landing page you want to use, right? Now this identity, this is where you now select the TikTok account you want to use, right? This is where you select the TikTok account you want to use. You can always add a TikTok account from here. Once you create your account, it's going to show you to add an account. Just click add account. Then you'll be able to add your TikTok account. So this is my own TikTok account now. This is the identity people are going to see when they click on it. Let's say they check, they want to see who is running this ad. They're going to click on it, and you are going to appear there as you're going to see an option that say add TikTok account. You're able to log in and add your TikTok account as the identity, right? So once you have done that, this is where you now enter your primary text, right? Like the text you want to tell people, or the caption, right? Just place this here. But before that, you want to make sure that you have written, look at it, it's going to show you on the caption. Before that, you want to make sure that you have written this down. It's not when you are creating the ad, you'll be writing your text caption, which is your hard copy. You don't want to do that, right? So once you have placed your hard copy here, You can now scroll down. You can name your product name here, which I've already done. You can decide to add your product images if you want to. So once you have done that, you can just click on publish, right? And your ad is going to publish and go live, right? So this is how you can actually run sales ad. So to run lead generation ad, it's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. To just click on okay, let's just leave this. Now let me show you how to run lead generation ad. Just click on exit. Right, click on exit. Then by then once you publish your ad is going to go live, right? Your ad is going to go live. So guys, if you are finding value in this video, make sure you like this video and you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, right? Because I drop powerful videos like this. I'm going to show you how to run profitable TikTok ads. So to run lead generation ad is very simple. To just click on the conversion here, click lead generation. Instead of selecting sales this time, select lead generation, select smart campaign, click on continue. Then when you are selecting your event, instead of selecting sales, select lead, all right, select lead, right, and that is how you can actually run lead generation ad. Alright, so like I said, if you don't know how to create epistles and events for lead generation or sales in your website, make sure you check out the description of this video because I explain exactly how you can do that in that video too. Alright, so make sure you like this video and you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Alright, until then, I'm going to see you in my next video.